Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chocolate cake, especially for Halloween. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing chocolate cake for Halloween, these are the ingredients: a pinch of salt, baking powder, vegetable oil, unsalted butter that is at room temperature, cocoa powder, and I'm using Hershey's cocoa powder, the one I have here, all-purpose flour, eggs, granulated sugar, chocolate pudding, and of course vanilla. Homemade vanilla that you guys already have on my channel. So let's prepare this amazing cake at home. So let's get started. I want to start here with my non-stick baking cream made at home, that of course you guys have this recipe already on my channel. I hope you guys give it a try. You make it at home. You take it 2 hours out of the refrigerator before you are going to use it for baking, and you're gonna go ahead and brush it all around your baking dish, and you will see how easy it's going to come out. Your cake is going to come out perfect, very easy. It's not gonna stick. And now I'm ready to start sifting all the dry ingredients. I'm gonna start with the all-purpose flour, making sure that everything is nice and sifted, my baking powder, my pinch of salt, my cocoa powder, my granulated sugar. I am going to sift everything because this is exactly what you don't want. These little balls, that's exactly what you don't want. You don't want it in your mixture. And here I am going to add the chocolate pudding. The chocolate pudding is going to make this cake so soft and moist from the inside that you guys are really going to fall in love with it. It's not too sugar, it's just perfect. A perfect chocolate cake to enjoy. Here I'm cracking my eggs in a separate plate. I'm gonna add my vanilla extract right into the eggs, making sure that the vanilla bean doesn't fall into it. I am going to whisk it very good. After I whisk it, I'm going to add the butter, unsalted butter that is at room temperature. Remember that all your ingredients need to be at room temperature so that your cake comes out really fluffy and delicious. And now I am ready to add the wet into the dry. I'm gonna mix it a little bit, and please don't forget to add your milk. You are going to add your milk, and of course in the description box you are going to have all the ingredients. Look at this, really creamy, really delicious. I want to show you from close up how it looks, how creamy. And now I am ready to pour it into my baking dish. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour it in here. I am already preheating my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Make sure that you always preheat your oven before you add the mixture into it, okay? Make sure. And here I am going to put it in here, and I'll see you in about 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes, look at this. It looks amazing, but we need to check it first. We need to make sure that the toothpick comes out clean. That's how you know when the cake is completely done. Okay, this is completely done, and I am ready to reveal how easy it is to get it out of your baking dish. It's still nice and hot, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Look how perfect it comes out. I am telling you, you need to make this amazing non-stick cream made at home. Look at this. Perfection made at home. Nothing sticks to the baking dish, and it comes out easily with no worries. Okay, I am going to put it aside so it starts cooling down so I could prepare and show you what I'm going to use for the decoration. It's gonna be really simple. It's gonna look really beautiful. I have milk, I have green food coloring, I have some little sugar ice, I have powdered sugar, and of course whipping cream. I am going to mix first the powdered sugar with a little bit of the green food coloring. To that, I am going to add a little bit at a time the milk. Remember, don't add all the milk at one time. Add a little bit at a time. You want it nice and thick. You don't want it too runny. That's why it's very easily to pour more than what you need. So that's why I like to just add a little bit at a time until I see the texture and I see exactly how I want it. Of course, I didn't use all the milk, but let me show you the texture. That's exactly how you want the texture of this mixture, so that it really runs down your cake, but yet it's not too watery or too runny. And here I have the whipping cream, which I'm gonna add a little bit of the green food coloring, just a little bit. I don't want it too dark. And now I am ready to whisk it really good until it's nice and fluffy. And it really doesn't take too long to get really nice and fluffy. Once this is done, I'm gonna go ahead, put it aside, put it in a baggie, and then I'll show you how I'm going to decorate my delicious chocolate cake. I'm gonna start adding the glaze right on the top, making sure that it runs all over the place, because that's exactly how you want it. This cake comes out really delicious. It's amazing, really moist from the inside. And here I'm just adding a little glass on the center so that I could add some whipping cream right in the center. I don't want to add too much, of course, okay? This is a little bit of decoration so it looks really nice and beautiful. I'm gonna fill the little cup and I'm gonna make little stars. Of course, you could decorate the best or however you want. Once you have everything all nice and decorated from the center, I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides too so it looks beautiful. Remember, when family comes over and they see this amazing cake for Halloween, they're already thinking, what is this cake all about? I'm adding the little sugar ice right in the edges, right in the center, and the decoration is gonna look beautiful. After this is done, I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait to taste it because I know it's gonna come out perfect. It really comes out perfect every time. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Halloween cake. Perfect to enjoy with the family. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy. It's nice and soft, nice and moist. I don't want to keep talking. What I want to do is enjoy this amazing cake. Excuse me. It's not too sugary, but yet it's nice and soft and moist from the inside. When you bake with love, everything comes out perfect. And with a nice cold milk, perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make this delicious chocolate cake at home for Halloween. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Thank you for being here. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe and be part of my family. I will stay enjoying this amazing Halloween chocolate cake. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.